Steller's sea cow, Hydrodamulus gigas, is an extinct, giant marine mammal that was driven to extinction by human hunting in 1768, just 27 years after its discovery by Europeans. It was a member of the order Cyanea, making it a close relative of modern manatees and dugongs, though it was vastly larger and adapted exclusively to frigid, subarctic waters. Adults typically reached lengths of 8 to 9 meters, 26 to 30 feet, and weighed between 8 to 10 metric tons. They were the largest non-cetacean, non-whale, marine mammals of the modern era. They had dark, rough, wrinkled skin up to an inch thick that resembled tree bark, which protected them from sharp sea ice and rocky shores. They possessed a massive layer of blubber up to 10 centimeters, 4 inches, thick for insulation. This made them so buoyant that they could not fully submerge, leaving them perpetually floating at the water's surface. Unlike other sirenians, they completely lack teeth. Instead, they used two flat, keratinous plates in their mouths to grind down tough marine vegetation. By the time they were documented by Western science, Steller's sea cows were restricted to the shallow, icy waters surrounding the uninhabited Commander Islands, Bering and Copper Islands. In the Bering Sea, they were strict herbivores that spent their entire day grazing in shallow coastal waters, dining almost exclusively on canopy-forming kelp. Accounts from German naturalist Georg Wilhelm Steller, the only scientist to ever observe the live animals, described them as incredibly gentle, slow-moving, and unafraid of humans. They lived in highly social family groups. Steller observed that they exhibited profound grief and loyalty. If a female was harpooned by hunters, the male and other group members would crowd around, attempting to defend her or pull the harpoon lines free. When Vitus Bering's Russian expedition shipwrecked on Bering Island in 1741, the crew survived by eating the sea cows. Word quickly spread among Russian fur traders about the animal's highly palatable meat and valuable fat, which tasted like sweet almond oil and did not spoil easily, because the sea cows were slow, floated on the surface, and congregated near the shore. They were incredibly easy targets. Fur traders wastefully slaughtered them at over 7 times the sustainable rate. Furthermore, the mass hunting of local sea otters caused an explosion in the sea urchin population, which decimated the kelp forests the sea cows relied on for food. The last known Steller's sea cow was killed on Bering Island in 1768. Like and subscribe for more.